Today I'm playing Nature Snack. This is new and thing. I found it on the marketplace. I'm gonna spawn a scorpion. Spawn the scorpion too. These guys. The snake can attack them. Yee. Oh, look, they're so cute. I'm taking a picture. Take a picture. Okay, I'm gonna be doing better. Bug. Okay, I got some more, which is butterflies. Butterflies fly. And fireflies. Why are they invincible? Oh, I see them. There they are. I'm gonna do something funny. First, what happens if I hit one? They're unstoppable. They just disappear. Anyways, I'm in nature. My mom's fun scorpions. Huh? Barriers. Anyways, I'm back. I filled the place with nature. Mostly scorpions. I played a frog, butterflies, fireflies, and ants. They look kind of creepy, but well, anyways, I could take care of them. But anyways, I'm just gonna make a scorpion city. Okay, I'm done with the scorpion city. Well, this took a long time. Actually, I'm not done yet, but if you want to see part 2, make sure to go and like and subscribe. I only have a couple subscribers, so if you want to subscribe, I'll give you a heart. Okay? Please. If you put this up, please say Scorpion or Beth, and then I'll put a heart on the video. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.